In order to deliver and maintain the highest level of health and safety within Facilities Services Group, we've established procedures for promoting and enforcing safe and healthy working conditions. Our belief is that all accidents, ill health and incidents can be significantly reduced by providing sufficient information, instruction, training, supervision and support. Continual training is essential in the reduction of accident and incident rates. Toolbox Talks play a major part in our continuous effort to create an increased awareness of hazards present in our day-to-day operations and the precautions which must be taken to eliminate or control them. Regular Toolbox Talks also demonstrate our commitment towards health and safety and help build a cooperative environment by providing our employees with the opportunity to contribute ideas and to make suggestions that may improve quality, productivity, morale and safety. To deliver our belief, we've developed this Toolbox Pack which contains notes on activities which may be encountered when on sites where we operate. The talk should last between 5 and 10 minutes, ensuring adequate time is allowed for feedback from site personnel.